Mental health and heart disease. Hello, I'm Mark Weisenberger, the host of today's Mental Wellness Show. Today, I want to share with you some information that I recently came across on the internet, and the website was Better Health or something like that. And they had some information. It wasn't really an article, it was just kind of a snippet of some information. And they called it or titled it, What Sort of Mental Health Conditions Affect Heart Disease? Now, today's show, we're not going to dive into it a lot, but we'll do continuing videos on that, on how to deal with this. But I just wanted to make sure you were aware of these mental health conditions that may be causing some heart health challenges. We always go around saying, wow, she is so stressed. If she doesn't learn how to relax, decompress, she's going to have a heart attack. Wow, that guy is so stressed and worried all the time. He's going to blow a gasket and have a heart attack, have a meltdown, whatever the case is. And so this snippet came back and said that there are two types of mental health challenges that cause or may cause heart disease. And they are anxiety and depression. Now, this is some information I didn't really know or understand until I read this information. Now, they define anxiety as being brought on because of worry and stress. But anxiety is really your feelings you have after that initial incident that caused the worry and stress is gone. In other words, you're driving down the freeway, headed to a meeting, you look in your rearview mirror, there's the blue lights, oh, that heart starts pounding, you start getting worried, how long is it going to take, how much is it going to cost, is it going to affect my insurance, I've got a meeting in a little bit that I'm headed to, I don't have time for this, and that heart just starts beating and that anxiety just starts building up. And you pull over, the policeman comes up, hey, just gives you a warning. And so now you're headed down the road. And, you're going to be on to your meeting on time. Your insurance isn't going to raise. You don't have to worry about paying for a ticket. So all the things that caused the anxiety in the first place, the stress and the worry, are gone. So, but how are you feeling now? Is that anxiety carrying on? And how long is it going to carry on? And that is when you start having real anxiety. The second one, as I said, was depression. Now, this information defined depression as losing motivation, losing or not wanting contact with the outside world, just wanting to curl up in the corner, be left alone, stay in bed, pull the blanket up over your head. And I think we all experience those moments. Just earlier this week, at the end of the day, I was depressed. I was angry. How could they do that to me? I don't want to deal with this anymore. And, I went to bed, woke up the next morning, everything was fine, ready to go to work, ready to do what needed to be done. And so, I'm sure that depression caused some health challenges there for the time that I was there. But it was gone in the morning. But so I want you to start realizing, there are times when depression is extremely serious. You may need counseling. You may need to talk to a medical doctor and have some medication or something. I don't know. But start feeling that, looking, paying attention. Is it an ongoing thing that lasts for hours, days, weeks, months? And of course, that's what today's mental wellness channel is all about, is helping you to understand what's going on, giving you tips to control and manage those feelings. So on the anxiety, okay, you have that anxiety, you were pulled over. Come to this channel, learn some tips and tricks to decompress, take a deep breath so that you can go on with your day, your life, your family, your business. And so the whole purpose of today's video was to get you just to pay attention to yourself, to your body, how you're feeling, how you react to different events. Is it just a momentary worry, or is it long-term anxiety, long-term depression? Because that's when your mental health issues start affecting your physical health. And we don't want that. And so that's what it's all about. And in the top, go down and leave any questions that you may have. Leave your thoughts, leave your feelings, leave your experiences. How have you dealt with things like this? And let's have a conversation. And I'll pin in the very top comment a link where you can go and have a mental wellness assessment. It's free. There's no cost, no obligation. After the assessment, you'll be emailed a 13-page report on tips and tricks on what you can do about sleep, nutrition, some other information. And it's all valuable information to help you with your mental wellness. So go ahead and take advantage of that. And we'll talk to you later, and to your mental health.